If you want to change your reality, you have to understand that the universe and your physical reality is like a mirror. You can't wait for the reflection to shift before you change. You have to change internally first and choose to be happy and feel all the feelings that you want to feel before anything manifests in physical reality. Because your reflection in the mirror isn't going to smile until you smile first. And that's the one thing that you have to realize, because you're in control. Manifesting to become visible is you're in control of your vibration. Nobody else is in control of your emotions. Anytime you start to feel like you're not, all you have to say is, I choose to believe that I need to feel this way no matter what circumstance is happening. And then you just finish it off and say, and I'm going to go ahead and choose to feel this instead. I'm going to choose to feel happy. I don't have to feel sad or upset when something's not going my way. I don't have to choose to feel angry when someone's yelling at me. What if you just see them as that's the highest level of consciousness that they're at, and you understand from a place of unconditional love? And if you can reach that place of unconditionality, unconditional happiness, unconditional love, then if you can do that and you're not deciding to make this change within inside of you because you want the outside reality to shift, then you no longer are placing conditions on your happiness. Because the whole point is, regardless of your physical reality, you're choosing to stay in a happy vibration because it just feels good to be happy. Because it feels good to feel good. Not because of the things that'll get you, because now you're manipulating the universe to give you what you want rather than allowing the manifestation to flow through you. Because if you want anything to be manifested in reality, it's about getting rid of those negative beliefs on why you don't have it. It's like an AI prompt. That's how your physical reality is. Whatever's in the AI generated image prompt of lack of abundance, lack of money, oh, your parents worked really hard for little money and they worked all the time, and that's the type of life you believe exists. While other people are super wealthy and they're living in abundance because their belief systems are different. Right? There's other people that look around and they just, as they walk around, they're just thinking about how I can incorporate more business, how I can create more abundance financially, or like how can I add more value. They're already thinking about starting a business because they just have that mindset. Consistently choose to reprogram yourself when you're not feeling a feeling you don't want, because recognize it. First step is awareness. Hey, I choose to believe that I need to feel this given my situation. I'm choosing it. You're choosing to feel this feeling. You don't have to. I do highly recommend feeling your feelings if they're urging, like you have anger or sadness. Like, feel them to release them, yes. Except if you're struggling in the moment, you can decide, hey, I'll come back to this later. Do not suppress things. Otherwise, it will still be active in your vibration, in your AI prompt. If you just pretend like everything's all good without actually feeling better, because you're choosing to just because it feels good to feel good, it's not going to change. Now you're, again, manipulating. But remember, you want to allow the manifestations. You don't want to manipulate the universe, because manifestation and manipulate are very similar to each other. Manny. And when you're trying to manipulate the universe to give you what you need, it's because you don't have it, and it's going to keep manifesting more lack, because that's the vibration you're acting out of. And physical action is how physical reality works. So when you're taking aligned action towards whatever endeavor you want to start businesses, and you start reprogramming your mind, and you start thinking of better opportunities for yourself, and you're taking physical action, that's the language of physical reality. It's only a matter of time before your manifestation manifests. And by the way, manifestation means to become visible. So have an alchemizing day, and namaste.